We are on the perimeter road. You've got loads of beautiful views around here, and this is where we're at today. So we're on an urbanisation called Camposol, near the port of Mathron, where there are several beaches and only 30 minutes from Calida Airport. So I'm quite excited to take you in, and we'll have a look around at this lovely home. So come with me, look at the views over there. I just have to show you. Stunning views of the mountains there, really lovely. So this is the lovely property I'm showing you today. As you can see, you have off-road parking, a garage, and you have a pedestrian gate. So let's go inside and have a look around this lovely home. So as you can see, the windows are tinted, which means that the really hot sun doesn't penetrate into the conservatory, so it stays fairly nice temperature. So you've got one step up into here, into the conservatory. The conservatory has radiators, and it's a lovely place just to read a book. So we're going inside. You have got records on the door and an insect screen, got shutters on the windows, and you have this lovely flooring. You've got this fabulous fireplace over here. It's electric, and I'll just give you a feel for the room. You have dual aspect windows, of course. You have your shutters, your locks, security locks on the windows. You have got aircon as well there. And I'm going to take the room at a different angle. You've also got radiators in here. So this is the kitchen diner over here. So this is the dining area, and this is your kitchen. Very modern top and base units, integrated microwave and oven, and you have an integrated electric hob. Of course, all your fridge, freezer and everything's integrated. Lovely floors, spotlights above, and plenty of worktop space. So let me take you in here. Now just here you have a bathroom, or shower room I should say, just here. Now in the shower room, it's all been upgraded again. You have a clear screen, shower screen, rain head shower. Got new flooring put in. Modern WC sink and vanity unit, and a mirror overhead. You have got a heated towel rail here and a towel rail just above. You've also got an electric heater above there, and you have your shaving socket. So this room in here is a single bedroom, but you can put a double bed in here, no problem. In here you've got your aircon, your ceiling light and fan. It's being used part office, part guest room. And just here you have your radiator as well. Just come down the other end of the room. And this room looks over the pool area as well. You have got your double wardrobes with overhead storage. So I'm going to take you into the master bedroom now. So in here is the master bedroom. As you can see, there's insect screens and blackout blinds and records on the windows. You have got an aircon unit, and you have your ceiling light and fan. It's quite a long bedroom. I'm just going to bring you around and show you. You've got your radiator just here, nice flooring, and you have your double wardrobe with your overhead storage. And through that door over there is your ensuite. So just in here is your ensuite. You have got a cubicle style shower, your mirror and your vanity unit. Flooring all newly done, and you have a WC. Just behind the door here, you have got a single wardrobe and with overhead storage, so you can put whatever you need in there. Just here you've got your shaving socket, and above the door you've got a heater. So let me go back through again. So let me take you outside and we'll have a look around the other areas of this home. There is a gateway here, so we'll walk down there, have a look. As you can see, the balustrade is of frosted glass and silver. Nice raised area for plants and flowers. We are in the pool area. We've got a lovely seating here for outside dining. Got a fabulous pool, and as you can see there is an underbuild here as well. So I'm just going to take you down here. We'll have a look. There is steps just there going into the pool and a beautiful dolphin. But we're going up here first. Got your pool cover there. And this is like a pool house where you can keep all your bits and pieces from the pool in. And as you can see, that's what it's used for. Got your garden furniture here as well. We'll just have a quick look in here. So this is just more storage. I think you could put an outside toilet or shower room there if you wanted to, and maybe do an outside kitchen here. But it's just as good just keeping the garden furniture and all the swimming pool paraphernalia in here as well. So let me take you around the rest of the property. You have got outside lights, as you can see, that illuminate this area at night. So you have a second gateway here, and I think this is great, especially around this pool area. So if you've got young children, it stops them coming into the pool area. So just here you have a few steps down. You have some drainage there. We'll have a look in here now. So this is the pump house, and you've got all the electrics all there on show for me. And you've got storage there as well. Just going to have a look in here now. So just here you have about 3 steps down, and this brings you into the underbuild, which has been reformed. So just in here is your relaxation area. So you have got a radiator aircon here, your windows there as well, you got your microwave and your oven grill. Basically an area just to relax and enjoy. Just give you a different angle of the room there. I'm going to bring you in here though. You have a sliding door which brings you in to the bathroom area. So just here, of course, you have access to an underbuild, and you have to have that in all houses on Camposol, so the water people can access pipes if needed to. You have a radiator here as well, your WC, a vanity unit and a modern mirror. You've got storage there, and you have a shower with a sliding glass door. Rain head shower in there, all modern. So I'm going to take you in. We've got a bedroom down here as well. So I suppose this is great if you have some guests or someone staying overnight or whatever, you know. So I'm just going to pan around for you. You've got plenty of sockets and switches here. And this is a good sized double bedroom. You got sockets and switches above the bed and on either side of the bed. And if I just point out there, you've got a radiator. So it's quite warm in here. So let me take you outside. Here's all your electrics up there. Now just here is an area to sit, enjoy a bit of tapas and a glass of wine, the sun is shining. So that door there, that's to the back of the garage, and I'll just bring you upstairs to the rooftop solarium. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. Oh, look at this, look at the mountain and the views all across Camposol there. You can see for miles. Really beautiful. So up here, I've always thought you could put a fridge up here, maybe one of those film screens where you could do films with your friends and family in the summer. You could cover this in grass, you could make a bar area up here, whatever you wanted. Most people use it just for washing, their washing line, you know. You have more storage just here. So I've opened up the storage. It's under storage just to give you an idea. Okay, you can never have too much storage, I have to say. And this is what you're overlooking. It's really lovely. And it's so peaceful up here as well. Really lovely. And this is the garage. So I've opened the garage up. There is a work space there, but it is being used for storage. So this is quite a large space, and you've got your back door and your window. Well guys, what do you think of this property? It has loads of potential. It has a fabulous pool with an underbuild that's been reformed. You have plenty of storage in this property, and you've that lovely solarium upstairs in this Rosa. If you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. I will leave the reference number in the title of the video, and in the description box I will leave the agent's details. Okay, so that's where you're going to find them, in the description box. So until the next time, have an amazing day. Please share and like on your social media, because somebody out there is going to love this property.